This is the new house from the Toll brothers.
Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown.
The location is in the Montebello. So when I enter, I have these two double entrance doors. So basically it's the extra size, big size of the window. So it makes the house pretty big and then like huge and minimal kind of feeling. Great thing about this house is that ceiling is so high. First floor is 10 feet, second floor 10 feet, additional 9 feet on the third floor. Onto the right side, we have another room and then a bathroom.
You're the new MC, you got the remix.
One single vanity and then one toilet.
Just let the beat kick.
Here is the room. Window is pretty big. So the reason why the new homes do this is because to make it feel more roomy and kind of bigger and breathable. And then we have this private bathroom. We have a shower place, toilet, and then one single sink vanity. Kitchen place.
Okay.
So this kitchen place, we have a lot of cabinetry, custom built-in refrigerator, built-in microwave as well, more cabinetries. Bigger island actually makes it more spacious. Definitely, we got 6-burner gas range. On this island, we have the sink facing the living space. What I really like about here is the islands have this electric outlet. This is beautiful. Like you can actually do everything. This is the living area. Stagers did a great job. You can just sit on here and then put the TV, windows on the side. We got this dining table here. So I really love this pool. Like it's transparent pool. I don't know, it's kind of sexy. That's what I can say. I love it. And then this is where you can dine and then have some like foods. Here is another space where you can sit down and chill and then feel the breeze and relax. It's beautiful. So on the first floor, basically we have the kitchen, of course, the 2-car garage and the living space with the formal dining space, and then a room with the private bathroom and another powder room.
Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like it's takeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes.
Welcome to the second floor. So this place is the den. So this is a space where you can gather when you don't want to go down to the first floor. So this is the den. We have a lot of windows, TV setup, and the cabinetry. Beautiful stagers. Thank you. On the left side, when you come up from the staircase, this is the master suite. So master suite is, of course, there is a bed right in the middle between the windows. And then we got this private patio for the master suite. And what I really like about this master suite is we got this gigantic bathroom. Separated toilet place, 2 sink vanities. And then we got a lot of cabinetries under so that you could put a lot of things. Shower place, huge. And then also we got this room and tub. So this is good. As you walk in a little bit more, we got this big closet. This is the walk-in closet. So we got a lot of cabinetries and I like details on the lighting inside the cabinet. We just came out from the master suite and then right next there is a laundry place. We got this sink, it's pretty big size. So we also got this cabinetries also, more cabinetries on the side. And then we got 2 spaces for the washer and dryer space for the laundry. Come across den, and then we got these rooms on the side. So basically this is another room. 2 windows and 1 regular closet. We got this powder room on the second floor. Third room has its own private restroom. So basically we got this one big window to make the space more breathable, and then we got this single sink vanity, toilet, and a shower place. Beautiful. After we come out from this room 2 and room 3, we're gonna come and walk across gigantic chandelier, which is my favorite in this house. There's another room with a lot of windows for natural light to travel through, and also we have a private restroom here. So this is amazing place too. So of course, single sink vanity, toilet, and a shower place. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. Welcome to the 3rd floor of this house. This is more like an entertainment place. They put this pool table, and then we have another like 3rd floor patio as well. There is a bathroom, bathtub, toilet, and a single sink vanity. They staged this place as an office. This is it for the tour of this house. Let's go on to the next episode.